Okay. Now, put your hand in there, oops, and take the eye and poke the end through the hole. The hole is tight, and if you pull on it so that you can see it like that, okay? The hole isn't too big, it's good size, and then you place the disc on like this, and the stem here is ridged, and it's ridged in such a way that the disc snaps on, but you can't pull it off. These are safety eyes. You just want to really push it down so it snaps in really tight, and that's what it looks like. Okay, now that's one eye, and now find the hole and put the other eye there. Push that through. There it is. You can put the fabric, push the fabric down around it, and the safety cap, and push it nice and tight. Just squeeze that down. There, now you have eyes. Now, if you didn't buy the eyes, if you don't have the eyes and you want to use buttons, this is the time to sew on a button. And you would sew it on there, and then turn it inside out and do some really good reinforcement stitching going through the back. You would want to do a lot of stitches so that you would sew that button on nice and tight, that no child would be able to pull it off. Okay, because buttons can be a choking hazard. Okay, next we're going to stuff our horse's head.